As we get closer to the November election, we're hearing more arguments both for and against the potential legalization of recreational marijuana in North Dakota. Roger Caseman says he'll be voting no. He's got a different perspective than a lot of North Dakotans, working as a deputy sheriff as well as a deputy coroner in California. Caseman says he saw too many examples of the effects of marijuana on people, including in one case, 5 members of the same family whose death resulted from the use and abuse of marijuana. He believes that sort of thing could happen in North Dakota if Measure 5 is passed.
I will guarantee that anybody who's watching this, that within a year after passing marijuana legalization and it becomes recreational, you're going to have a relative, friend, or coworker that's going to be dead because of it. Definitely not using it directly, but although that's a possibility. I'm talking about in a traffic accident, in an industrial accident.
Steve Bakken, however, says he'll be voting yes. He is the chairman of the New Economic Frontier, a ballot measure committee working to get Measure 5 passed. Bakken's also the former mayor of Bismarck. In spite of his work trying to get this measure passed, he says he voted no on the last 2 marijuana-related initiated measures. Bakken says he understands the concerns revolving around the issue, but he also says there's a lot of misinformation going around, including concern about drug usage.
It's really not the reefer madness from the 50s that people think about. Cannabis is not the big concern. It's the fentanyls, the opioids. There's a lot of other places that a very thin stretched law enforcement can be utilized to actually make a bigger impact.
For their part, New Economic Frontier, quote, encourages all North Dakotan voters to research this important issue before casting their votes in November, end quote. Although Caseman and Bakken will be voting on different sides of the ballot, both men say they are not marijuana users.